Traders, welcome to the daily recap for November 8th, 2022. Tons of volatility in the SPX today in the SPY, and that's mainly what we traded today. Equity side, we did do a couple different trades. Not too many today, though. We did SEDG long for about 8 points this morning. Nice little trade there. We did Tesla long 2 times today, this morning off the lows for a couple points. And then we also did it at the end of the day for a couple points. We did also grab 200 calls here, at the beginning of the morning, and we ended up selling most of them up here around this level. And once you got back below the 50, maybe ended up exiting that position, about 52% on that. So that's a pretty good one. mRNA long for 4 points on that. Qualcomm long for 2 points on that one in this morning. BMY long for 1 point. The only trade that didn't work today on the equity side was Disney, and we were long at 101.30 area, and then we ended up getting stopped out of that one when it dipped with the market. We did the SPX this morning. We did a couple different spreads. We did the intraday 38.35, 38.40 spread for 2,300%. We legged into that one as usual. So, we grabbed the, 38.35 calls out the gate, waited till the 38.40s were worth more than it, sold it against it. Ended up actually being a debit, not a credit. So 10-cent debit, and then those ended up going up 2,300%. We also, at that time in the morning, we did grab 38.85, 38.95, November 9th calls. Again, we did leg into that one. Went up 4,000%. We're holding that one overnight. That's actually at a 10-cent credit, so we should be okay with that one. Either way, we make money on it, which I'm happy with. We did some puts intraday when it started to break down. EMA started to break. We grabbed the 38.15 puts, open-ended, 807% on those. 38.10 puts on the SPX, 329%. 37.90 puts, 110%. We also had Adobe overnight for Adobe overnight for 400%, which was fantastic. And there's a couple other trades that we did intraday, like we had BA roll on for 100% on that one. We had Tesla, like I said, for 52%. We had a snap trade on this morning, which we had to exit, didn't work. GRWG on for, I think it was about 38%. Nice little pop on that one this morning. And other than that, we were mainly just trading the SPX. There wasn't much else that we did. Oh, we did a NVIDIA call that didn't work this morning. BMY 80 calls, which went up about 70%. TTWO 100 calls out the gate this morning, which went up over 100%. That was a nice one. And like I said, that's pretty much it. So we'll see what happens tomorrow, guys. Obviously, got interim election. Whether the market's going to gap up, gap down, I'm not sure. All I know is we're going to have range. We got spreads on both sides that are paid for. So I'm okay with whatever happens. But on the upper end side, I would think we get to around like 394, 393 tomorrow. Downside on the SPY 367, 365, and kind of just go from there. Anyways, guys, you want to come trade with us live? You can do so every single day. We stream from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Discord chat's open 24/7 a day. Great community. You get tons of different types of individuals in here. Guys who are managing money. You got retail investors. You got guys who are trading off the floor. You get a lot of different perspectives: macro, micro, money flow, option side, flow on the option side as well. And we do trade equity and options all day long. So come join us, smarttrading.com. You can sign up. Link is in the description of the video. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.